So brave people feel scared too? Yes, even the bravest animals feel scared sometimes. I will try to be brave. My lucky bow will help me. Here I go, one step at a time. I can do this, step by step. Oh no, it is getting so dark here. What was that sound?
Do not be afraid, little one.
I am Oliver. I keep everyone safe here.
Where are you going today?
I am going to a party, but I am very scared.
Brave means taking one more step, even when your legs want to stop.
Brave means taking just one more step. Ooh. One more step. I can do one more step.
I will fly above and show you the way.
Follow me, little rabbit. This way. Wow, the forest is actually beautiful.
Hello there! I am Finn the Fox.
I see you are scared. I understand that feeling. I was scared of thunder, but I learned to be brave.
I am not the only one who feels scared. Let us walk together. Friends help friends. Oh no! How will I get over this big log? Look, we can go around it.
There is always another way. The important thing is to keep moving forward.
I did it! There is always a way.
Hello, little friends. Do not be scared of me.
I'm heading to the party at Sunny Meadow. I love meeting new friends there.
I am going to the party at Sunny Meadow, too. Climb on my back. I will keep you safe. Wow! Everything looks different from up here. May I join you? I am Diana. You are very brave to try, even when scared. We have to go through there? It is so dark. I have a light. It will help us see. The light makes it not so scary. We did it! We got through the tunnel. I want to walk now. I feel stronger. I am so scared. I cannot move. It is okay to be scared. I was scared too. Brave does not mean not being scared. Brave means trying even when fear is there.
You did it, Holly! Keep going! Helping others be brave makes me braver too. We need to cross the stream. I can do this. I will help you cross. Follow my jumps. See? Ooh, just hop where I hopped.
One hop at a time. I am doing it.
I crossed the stream. I am so brave!
We all made it.
Together we can do anything! Look! I can see the meadow ahead. Sunny Meadow! It is so beautiful! The party is here!
I made it. I did it. I really did it.
Welcome, Rosie! We are so proud of you! These friends helped me be brave. I was very scared, but I tried anyway. Being brave means trying, even when scared. Helping others be brave made me braver. You are Rosie the Brave now! Let us play and celebrate together! Being brave means having more fun! This cake is for all brave friends! Everything is sweeter with friends! What a wonderful day this has been!
I need to go home, but I am not scared now.
We will take you home safely! The forest is beautiful at night.
Follow me, everyone. We can do this.
This is easy now. One hop at a time. Thank you all for helping me be brave. Good night, friends. See you soon. I feel so different now. I feel brave. What a wonderful day. Time to rest now. Brave bunnies have the sweetest dreams. Good morning! What adventure awaits today? The forest looks beautiful to me now. I will visit my new friend Holly. Hello, forest friends. Beautiful day today. Thank you you for visiting me, Rosie. I tried to be brave like you, Rosie. Being brave helps us find beautiful things.
More friends means more fun and bravery.
We promise to help each other be brave.
I learned that brave is not never scared. So. And now I want to talk to you. It is okay to feel scared sometimes. Try one brave thing today. You can do it. Ask friends or family to help you be brave. We believe in you. Be brave!
One more step.
Remember, just one more step. The end. Now go be brave today.
Welcome to Whispering Woods.
This is where Rosie the Rabbit lives. Good morning. I am Rosie. The forest looks so dark and scary. Oh, I got a letter. A party at Sunny Meadow. But I have to go through the dark forest alone. I am too scared to go alone. Who is there? Hello, Rosie. Why are you crying? I want to go to the party, but the forest is too scary. Being brave means going even when you are scared.